Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do a speed test comparison between Oppo Reno 2F versus a Oppo Reno. Oppo Reno comes with a Snapdragon 710 chipset with 8GB of RAM, while the new Oppo Reno 2F comes with a MediaTek Helio P70 chipset with 8GB of RAM. So let's see how much a difference between the old Oppo Reno versus a new Oppo Reno 2F. So let's get right into it. So starting off by booting both phones up at the same time. Here we go. And logo came up first, little bit faster on the Oppo Reno. Let's see who is going to be the fastest one. Oppo Reno 2F is faster when it comes to booting up, while the old Oppo Reno, now it is also done about 1 or 2 second difference there, not a huge difference in the boot up test. So both phones comes with a full HD Super AMOLED display with no notch, no hole, full view display, because both phones comes with a pop-up selfie camera, but the pop-up selfie camera on the Oppo Reno is different than the Oppo Reno 2F, and you can see very different pop-up cameras on both phones. So everything is closed up in the background like always, and the first application I'm gonna open is the phone dialer on both phones. That is a little bit quicker on the Oppo Reno, followed by the Oppo Reno 2F. Mic lock, that was about the same on both phones. Settings, again that was about the same. Opening up the calculator, that is a little bit quicker on the Oppo Reno 2F again, followed by the Oppo Reno. So opening up the My Files, same result, no difference there in this application. So moving on with some more system based application, because I am showing you the RAM measurement. Music, that was about the same. Videos, same result, no difference there in the system based application. Let's see the some games application. So first we got is the Candy Crush Saga. That was about the same on both phones, no difference there in this application. So moving on with the Subway Surfer, and let's see, and you can see that is a little bit faster on the Oppo Reno, not the Oppo Reno 2F, the new one. So last game application we have is the Temple Run 2. Let's see who is going to be the fastest one in this application. And seems like Oppo Reno is faster. Yes, it is little bit faster there, about half a second difference in this application. Very small difference there, but still Oppo Reno is faster than the new Oppo Reno 2F in this application. So last opening up the application, that is called as the cameras, default cameras, that is little bit quicker on the Oppo Reno, followed by the Oppo Reno 2F. So let's see the internet browsing speed. I am using Google Chrome on both phones, same Wi-Fi network. So first website we have is the wikipedia.org, and that is faster on the new Oppo Reno 2F, followed by the Oppo Reno, and scrolling is very smooth on both phones. Same thing with zooming in and out, no lag whatsoever. So next website is the apple.com, and that is again super duper quick on the new Oppo Reno 2F, followed by the Oppo Reno. Not a huge difference there, but still Oppo Reno 2F is little bit faster in Wi-Fi speed. So let's see the RAM measurement on both phones, and both phones comes with 8GB of RAM. So very interesting to see who is best in the RAM measurement. Phone dialer, no refresh on both phones. Let's see mic lock, no refresh, and we have a lot of apps in the RAM in the background, that is refresh again on the Oppo Reno 2F. In my last speed test, Oppo Reno 2F is performed very bad in the RAM measurement. Same thing happened again in this speed test. Music, no refresh on both phones. Let's see the videos, again no refresh. Let's see some games application, that got refresh on the Oppo Reno 2F, but the Oppo Reno is very good in the RAM measurement. Not a single application is refresh on the Oppo Reno. So last we are back to the internet browser, Google Chrome on both phones, no difference here. Overall, apps say that the app's opening speed is a little bit faster on the Oppo Reno, and Oppo Reno 2F is right behind to the Oppo Reno when it comes of games at certain time, but the system-based application speed, it is about the same on both phones almost. RAM management is very good on the Oppo Reno, but many application is refreshed on the Oppo Reno 2F. So thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between Oppo Reno 2F versus a Oppo Reno, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.